how to delete seen movies on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's quick tutorial I will show you how we can delete seen movies on Netflix. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, if you're on your website or if you're logged in via netflix.com, then what you have to do is tap on your profile icon on your Netflix account. After that, head towards this account. Then scroll to Profile and Parental Control. Then there you will be asked to choose your profile. Select your profile. After that, head towards the View option next to Viewing Activity. There, find the movies or so that you want to delete, and from there you have to click on Hide or the cross icon. Then the seen movies will be deleted or hidden from the Netflix account. So that's how you delete the seen movies or so from your Netflix history. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe and comment if you want more tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.